If it is your desire to open a new YouTube channel and start creating content, then please keep watching this video. Or maybe you already have a channel and you want to open another channel. Probably you have a new niche that you want to create on that channel, but you don't know how to go about it. Then please keep watching this video, because in this video today, I'm going to be teaching you the two main formats of opening a YouTube channel, whether as a new creator or as somebody who's been in the game that wants to create a new channel. Okay. So if this kind of video you want to watch, please feel free to join the family by subscribing to my channel. Like this video so that YouTube can as well push this video to other people who have same challenges. And lastly, drop your questions and your contributions in the comment section. My name is Jogbewe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I create videos about tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. So if this is what you like to hear, then please go through my channel, because I have a full playlist that can actually get you started and put you in the right place. That being said, let's just dive right into the issue on ground. So like I said before, creating a new YouTube channel entails two things, okay? The first is getting the YouTube app, and the second is creating an email, okay? If you're using an Android, you need an email to activate your phone, right? And if you're using an iOS, you as well need an email to activate your iCloud. So that is where YouTube comes in. But to be on the safer side, you're not going to use that general email that you know, okay? Because any email you use for YouTube or for Google AdSense, it's supposed to be a private email that you don't share anywhere else, okay? So that is the secret behind this particular video. So to create a new YouTube channel, guys, you need to create a new email, okay? Let me just quickly guide you on how to create a new email. First thing to do is to open Chrome and search for account.google.com, as you can see on my screen. So it will redirect you to your email that you have before. Click on create new account or add account, and then to redirect you back to this place, okay? You see this part where it says create account. When you click it, it will ask you for personal or for business. You can click for personal, and then to not direct you back to this place. So just fill in all of the details: your full name, your last name, your first name, your last name, that is your full name, okay? And then it will now still go to another interface where to show your date of birth, your phone number, the password, and the preferable or the preferred email that you want, because they will give you suggestions and all of that. So by the time you click your preferred email, it will now tell you that it has been created. Then you add a recovery phone number, okay? You can still use the same phone number with your former email if that's the only phone number you have, but if you have another number, you can as well put it. After creating an email, the next thing you should do is to download the YouTube app, like I said earlier, and then go straight to your YouTube app. It will display like this. Now click on this profile icon, okay? If it doesn't show your new account, then click on the switch account option. Probably you've not changed the email inside your YouTube app, okay? Switch account, and then to bring you here, click on your normal name, which is your profile, just like this, okay? Now that you are done, it will open up your profile. So yes, for the first time, and this is exactly how it will show. It's asking you for your picture, your name, and your handle. So just go through it. Whatever name you have in mind, go ahead and click on it. Okay, create all your name here using this pencil icon that you are seeing. When you are done, all you have to do is just click on create channel. Okay, it's this simple, guys. Click on create channel and your channel will be opened. Are you seeing it? So now you have a channel. It's asking you to manage your videos, create videos. From here you can start creating videos. Look at the day I created this channel just for this tutorial. Okay, so guys, this is how to create a YouTube channel easily with your phone. It's this simple, guys. When you're done, yeah, look at it. You can edit your channel here. Okay, you see the name, you see the handle. This is your channel URL. That's your link to your channel. Then this description, please make sure you write something very reasonable, something that concerns your channel, what concerns the content you're going to be posting. So guys, you've seen it. Now you have created a YouTube channel. You can start creating content, okay? But make sure you go ahead and study some of YouTube's guidelines, okay? So that you don't make mistakes and start getting strikes, any form of copyright at the very beginning, okay? Because if you get that, your channel is not going to grow. And so if you need any other pattern or any other advice on how to grow your channel, like I said before, I have a YouTube playlist. It's called YouTube Growth Playlist. You can actually go through it and your new channel will be flourishing in no time. Now, for the second set of creators, okay? If you already have a YouTube channel before now and you want to create another channel, there are actually two ways you can do it, okay? The first way is to create another email, right? If you want to own another channel, you can actually use a new or separate email from the first channel, Okay, so if you want to own a channel that has a different email, you can use this procedure I just showed you, okay, for the new beginners, right? So you can use that. But if you say no, you don't want to use that particular method, like you want to be able to access the two channels easily, then please use this pattern. Okay, let me quickly show you how to create it inside your YouTube dashboard. Guys, let's go. So guys, open Chrome and search for YouTube dashboard. Okay, it will redirect you back to the desktop site. If you're using a laptop, it's direct and easy. For a phone, you have to do it through this procedure. Okay, it's redirecting you back to the desktop site. You just wait for it to load. After loading, then we'll know what to do. Okay, so yeah, look at it. The next thing you will do now to create a new channel is to click on this settings icon. Okay, and yeah, we are here. After clicking on settings icon, next thing you should check for is the channel. Click on channel. Okay, yeah, click on advanced settings. Are you seeing it? Other settings, say manage YouTube account. That's the one you're going to click under channel and advanced settings, please. Okay, so it will redirect you to another browser. Still choose Chrome because that's a different well, that's a different site entirely. Do you understand? So yeah, we are here now. It has redirected you from your normal YouTube dashboard to your deep settings dashboard. Okay, look at it. It said channel status. Create a new channel. Are you seeing it? Channel status and features. That create a new channel is what you click on. Okay, yeah, look at it. You see how you will appear. It's asking you to write your channel name, your channel handle, just like the way the normal YouTube app also asked you to write it. Do you understand? Look at it. This is your name, your handle. How you want your handle is your actual nickname or the name that your channel possesses, just like the way we have Vibe with Sonia. That's a handle name. Okay, other name is also different. Do you understand? But our channel name is a handle name, Vibe with Sonia. So after you are done, just click on create channel. Guys, whatever you do from here, just be very careful with it, but you can still edit it inside the normal YouTube app anyways. Okay, but this is how you create a channel from inside your YouTube dashboard for somebody that already has a channel. If you are adding another channel, okay, now let me quickly show you something else. You see this part where it says view channel settings. Okay, you can actually see your channel ID and your user ID and all of those things here, but I'll be covering mine because I don't want to show you people. So yeah, look at what I want to show you. You say move channel. You can move your channel to another account from here. Maybe you don't want that email account anymore. You can click on move channel and move it to another account. Okay, this is where you do it. And then you can also delete a channel. Probably you're tired of that channel, or that channel is not growing, or it has any fault, or maybe it's been compromised or whatever, but you want to delete it. You don't want to use it anymore. This is where you do it, guys. So guys, you've seen how easy it is. If this video has been helpful, please guys don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your questions, your contributions in the comment section, and thank you for watching. All my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. If you are new here, thank you for joining. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.